Question over here says the exact volume of 1 molar NaOH solution required to neutralize 50 ml of 1 molar H3PO3 solution and 100 ml of 2 molar H3PO2 solution respectively are. So we have the reaction, balanced reaction over here as 2 NaOH plus H3PO3 gives us Na2HPO3 whole PO3 plus 2H2O. So at time t is equal to 0 we have 100, since it is given to us that there are 50 millimoles of this, so therefore there will be 100 millimoles of NaOH over here. 100 millimoles of NaOH will be equal to m into volume in ml, so therefore we have 100 millimole to be equal to 1 into VML. So therefore VML now comes out to be 100 ml for NaOH in the first iteration over here. Then we have another titration, that is NaOH plus H3PO2 gives us NaH2PO2 plus H2O. Over here, since it is given to us that there are 200 millimoles of H3PO2, there will be exactly 200 millimoles of NaOH, since the stoichiometric coefficients are equal. So 200 millimoles of NaOH will be equal to m into volume of NaOH in milliliters. So therefore we have 200 to be equal to 1 into VML. So therefore VML comes out to be 200 milliliter for NaOH in the second titration. So therefore the volumes of NaOH required in the first and second titration are 100 milliliter and 200 milliliters.